Peloton has caught me. Jack Mott in the lead, followed by Vince Deitch, Greg Kishishin. Stuck in traffic. Looks like Vince went up the side, maybe getting it. Looks like it's Vince, Jack, and Greg. Thank God you're in there. And then in fourth place, Jesse. And then Dan Piercy. And then Reed Green in sixth. And here comes Radar Broadfold in seventh. Oh no, Dave Lewis was seventh. Radar Broadfold was eighth. Way to go, Dave. May 8th, 2013, winner of the first preem today, the sprint preem, Rick Neptune. How close was it, Rick?
Not close at all.
Did you have a lead out or did you just go for it?
That's surprising, Jack. Well done.
You what?
Because it was hard up the first hill. Oh, yeah. Wide left.
Wide left? So you got second. So Rick Neptune got 3 points for the first preem. Jack Mott got 2 points for second place. And then you just got a second place on the hill preem, Barton Creek Boulevard Hill. All right, and then who got, I guess, Vince Deitch, Invincible, got the first place on the Barton Creek Boulevard preem. David J. Team, our correspondent, our European correspondent. And Ann Stevens got first place for the women's all preems. She's leading the points for 6.
Another S5. Yes.
And got Jesse over there and Greg Kishishin, I think, got 1 point on that preem for third place, right? Did you get third? All right. And then who got third on the sprint at the sprint point? Piercy, where is Piercy? Okay. All right. Nate Sheets, strong rider, probably pulled a lot today. Is that true?
I pulled everything, I guess.
Okay, good. Radar, any comments?
They don't like.
Where were you today? You look strong. And Tony Lotto, one of the greatest sprinters of VLP time. Oh, there you go. And then finally, I can't finish the interview. Can't finish the interviews without getting the commentation from Rob Jensen, our Dutch commentator, and his sidekick, Iron Mike.
Also known in the low world as Chubalito. You didn't know what that means. I've come up with something for you. Don't worry.
Here comes Lieutenant Dan.
Lieutenant Dan, I got a pig.
Okay. All right, it's time to work. We got a call. Call the question. We're off.